everybody, today I'm going to discuss a new feature of the Flipkart, which is adding a variation into your listing. Many of you have faced the problem that once you have listed some of the product to your listing, and after that you want to just list one more color variation of that product. Actually, I'm going to discuss about that. I'm going to tell you exactly how you yourself can do that thing. Okay, so now here I have come to my login of Flipkart, and you can see, let me just log in. So let's choose one account, like for example it is Madhav, this one's. It needs to send a one-time OTP verification if you have enabled two-factor on authentication. So let me put out the password once, OTP. So now you have to first quickly find out that listing by going into my listing section. So I have just come to my listing section, and I am just going to pick any of these product which I want to add a variation. So let's say I want to add a variation for 1 second. Yeah, so as I have come to this listing, so I will choose one of the variations of it, and I will hit the edit listing section, and all right, let me choose another one. All right, so here you have to come downward, and here you will be able to see all of the colors variation of a particular listing. You'll be able to see, and if you want to remove any of these, so you can simply remove from here, or otherwise if you want to just add one more, so go to the add listing in the bottom section. All right, add new variation, sorry, and here suppose I have one more color to add, and sizes of that color, so I will simply click here, create new. I will enter the color name. If I have two, so I will put the first color name. Then if that per means there, this is combo listing, so there will be two colors. Okay, so first color I will mention, then I will hit plus button like black and plus button, then I will put another color like yellow, white, etc., and then I will hit the create button. So once I hit the create button, so I will be promptly asked for add the photographs for that variation. So you have to just pick out from your desktop and put the color variation. After that, you will be, you don't have to worry about it. That color will be selected like this, and you have to simply choose the size and start creating variation. Once you finish with it, so again you have to come and don't have to make another color till you fill out all the, until you make all of the sizes. So like after small, and then you put medium and create from here and fill the detail, then send for the QC. Okay, so till then just look after it. If you find any issue while doing that, so you can simply just you know uh, drop me a comment. I will bring full detailed video if you want to. Otherwise, I'm hoping that you will be able to do that. So far my knowledge is concerned. Okay, so for the next video I am going to just stop myself here, and I hope you like the content. So if you are really liking my content, my work, so please um, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.